In a previous video, we saw how to decode the face from the head-on and from the profile, and what each angle indicates. So just to recap, the head-on reveals our capacity, quantitative development in width, and practicality, continuance, as the height is associated with qualitative development. The profile reveals the usage of our capacity and how it is expressed in our behavior. So today, we will specifically focus on the head and the forehead. The upper head is associated with our brain power, our intelligence. The formation of the upper head indicates the inherent mental characteristics. The forehead represents the way we perceive information and process it, as well as how the powers of intellect are expressed in our everyday behavior, our breadth of view and the way of our understanding. So in another video, we talked about the three zones of the forehead and their significance. In this video, we will focus on the profile of the forehead and what information it can reveal, depending on whether it is inclined, with a lower protuberance, vertical, or protruding at the top. In each circumstance, it can indicate an impulsive or controlled or very controlled way of thought. So when it is inclined, with a lower observational region protruding at the brows, it indicates a rather impulsive thought. It is ruled by development of the visual memory, a mind quick to jump to conclusions, visual modality, activity, primary thought patterns, and an urge to materialize thoughts. A forehead with a vertical profile has a brow slightly more prominent than the middle and the upper part of the forehead, and this indicates good memory, auditory or kinesthetic modality, a balanced control between incoming impression and conscious reflection. There is perceptive acumen with reflective reasoning powers, can assess a situation, create a plan, and put it into action. Last, there is the protruding top, a baby-like forehead, abstract thought, vivid imagination, exaggerated control of incoming impression. This person needs time to digest external stimuli before responding, and there's a tendency to be lost in thoughts and imaginary worlds. Here we have it in a nutshell, the way each type perceives information and processes it in general. The benefit: this insight can give us a hint on how to present our message in an optimal way, depending on the type we are talking to. It can, of course, also provide insight about our own tendencies and the way we perceive things. So, happy observations!